Good morning children, I am Poonam Bagga and we are studying chapter 1 Knowing Our Numbers. In our previous class, you all got introduced to a new place value 10,000. In today's class, we will be introducing some more new place values lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Such big numbers, aren't they? As you all are growing up, your numbers are also growing up. So, we begin with the same number with which you got familiar in your previous class, that is 10,000. We all know that 10,000 is the smallest 5-digit number. How we get the next number now? By simply adding 1 to it. We know that we get each successive number by adding 1 to its previous number. So, let us add 1. We get 10,001, 10,002 and so keep on adding 1, 1, 1. We will reach 20,000, 30,000, in the end 70,000, 80,000, 90,000, 99,999. Yes, 99,998, then 99,999. This is the largest 5-digit number. What after this? Again add 1 to it. We get a new number, a 6-digit number, and it has a special name, 1 lakh. Yes, this is your 1 lakh. It is the smallest 6-digit number and it has 5 zeros in all with it. Okay. What after this? Again keep on adding 1. You will get 1 lakh 1, then 1 lakh 2. Keep on adding 1. We will reach 2 lakh, then 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, in the end 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs, 9,99,999. Yes, we will reach 9,99,999. This is the greatest 6-digit number. Then what after it? Again add 1 to it. We will go somewhere to a new number. We will get a 7-digit number and this is called 10 lakhs. Why 10 lakhs? Because 5 zeros are represented by lakhs. So, this is lakh and this is nothing but 10. So, 10 lakh. This is the new place value. Okay. What after this? Again keep on adding 1. You will get 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs, again keep on adding 1, we will reach somewhere 80 lakhs, 90 lakhs, 99 lakhs and so on. We get and if we keep on adding 1, we will reach somewhere 99 lakhs, 99,999. This is the greatest 7-digit number. Clear to you? What after that? Again add 1 to it. You will get 99 lakhs, 99,999 plus 1. If we add, we get an 8-digit number which is having a special name called 1 crore. Yes, such big number. You should remember how many zeros does a lakh have, how many zeros does a crore have. Lakhs have 5 zeros and a crore has 7 zeros. Okay. What after it? Again keep on adding 1. You will reach somewhere to 2 crores, 3 crores, in the end 8 crores, 9 crores, let us see where we go on. And we will keep on going. Then we will have 9 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999. This is the greatest 8-digit number. Clear to you? Now what next? Again add 1 to it. We will reach somewhere to a new number. This is 99 crore 99 lakh 99,999 plus 1. We will add 1 to it, then we get 1, and now there will be 8 zeros and the digits will be 9 in number. So 9-digit number, which is 10 crores. Yes. Why 10 crores? Because 7 zeros represent crore, 1 crore, and this number is 10. So this is nothing but 10 crores. Such big a number, isn't it? Yes. What next? You can keep on adding 1, 1 and 1. Then you will reach somewhere to 99 crore, 99 lakhs, 99,999. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 digits in all. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 digits in all. Clear to you? Then what next? Yes, again we will write the smallest and the greatest 6-digit, 7-digit, 8-digit and 9-digit numbers. How we will get this? To write the smallest number, we will simply write 1 and then the remaining digits will be all 0. So 6-digit number, so we will write up 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Remember, 5 zeros represent lakhs. So this is nothing but 1 lakh. Then the greatest 6-digit number will be, all digits will be 9. All the 6 digits will be 9. Then what next? This is 7-digit number. So simply write 1 and put up 6 zeros. What is this? 5 zeros means lakhs and this is 10. So this is nothing but 10 lakhs. Clear? And the greatest 7-digit number we will get by taking all the digits to be 9. Simple. Next 8-digit number, smallest one, write up 1 and then all the digits will be 0, 7 zeros. 7 zeros means 1 crore. And the greatest 8-digit number will be, write all the digits to be 9. This is, we will learn to write their number names in our next slide. Then we have 9-digit smallest number, it will be, just write 1 and then put up 8 zeros. This is nothing but 10 crores. And the greatest 9-digit number will be, take all the digits to be 9. So this is the greatest 9-digit number. Clear how to write these numbers? Then we will take up the place value chart once again. Now we have introduced 4 new place values. So once again we will discuss it. From the right hand corner in a number we have the ones place, Then next to it we have the tens place, then next to it we have the hundreds place, then next to it we have the thousand place, and then we have 10,000. Up till here you were already familiar. Now we are taking up the new place values, which are, first of all we have lakhs, then we have 10 lakhs, then we have crore, and then we have 10 crore. So, these are the new place values, and each place value is 10 times its original one. We have 1, then multiply by 10, you get tens place, again 10 times we have hundreds place, again multiply by 10, if we get it multiplied by 10, then we get 1000. Remember, 1000 has 3 zeros, then again 10 times we have 10,000, then again 10 times we have 1 lakh. Remember, a lakh has 5 zeros, then again 10 times we have 10 lakhs. Again 10 times we have 1 crore, and then in last again we have 10 times taking up So, these are all the place values in front of you. Always remember, 1000 has 3 zeros, then a lakh has 5 zeros, a crore has 7 zeros. This will help you in identifying the greater numbers. Also, inserting commas. Now, if we write these numbers, such large numbers, we find it difficult to identify the thousands, the lakhs, the crores. It becomes difficult. So, to make the identification easy, to read the numbers easily, to write the numbers easily, we insert some commas at specific places. What are those place values after which or before which the commas are placed? Let us see. This ones, tens and hundreds, they remain in one bunch or one group, and we place a comma. Let us change the color of our pen so that you get it well understood. We place one comma at this place just before hundreds place value. Then these two belong to one family, and we place one comma just before 10,000 place value. Then these two belong to one family, and we place one comma just before 10 lakh place value, and then these two belong to one family. So, in fact, in a 9-digit number, we are placing 3 commas, one after the crores, one after the lakhs, and the other one after the thousands. So, in a 9-digit number or in an 8-digit number, we will be taking up 3 commas in between. This will be more clear to you as we take up the next example. So, we have a few numbers here. You can see that at this stage it is really very difficult to identify the crores and the lakhs and the thousands. Therefore, the commas are used to help in reading and writing large numbers. Let us insert the commas. This is the first number. We start from the right hand corner. This is the ones place. then the tens place, then the hundreds place. Just before the hundreds place, we mark the first comma. Then thousand place, 10,000 place, the second comma, then lakh, 10 lakh, the third comma. Clear to you? Now we can easily identify the crore, the lakhs, the thousands and easily read out its name. 5 crore 8 lakh 1592. This is the number name. We take one more example. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So, the first comma, 1000, 10,000, the second comma, lakh, 10 lakh, the third comma. There are 3 commas. Now, the number name will be 3 crore 32 lakh 40,781. Here remember that the digits at the lakh place values 3 and 2, they both are spoken up together collectively. We say it 32 lakhs, not 3 and 2 separately. No, we say it 32 lakh. This is 4 and 0 at 1000 place values. So, we say it to be 40,000. Clear to you? Next, we have one more example. Again, I hope you must have marked the commas till now. Let us check whether you have done it rightly or not. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place and the first comma, then 1000, 10,000, the second comma, then lakh, 10 lakh and the third comma. And what will be the number name? 7 crore 27 lakh 5062. I hope this concept is clear to you. This will be much more clear as we take up a few examples. Here is the first number. First of all, we insert the commas and then we will fill up the place value chart. Then we will write its number name and the expansion. Let us start. This is ones, tens, hundreds, the first comma, then 1000, 10,000, the second comma, then lakh, 10 lakh. There is no digit to the left, so 2 commas will be present in this number. Let us fill up the place value chart. We start from ones at the right hand corner, then we have the tens place value, hundreds place value, 1000 place value, 10,000 place value, then we have the lakh and 10 lakhs. Now we fill up the digits starting from right hand corner. 5 is at the ones place, then we have 1 at tens place, 2 at hundreds place, 7 at thousands place, 4 at 10,000 place, then we have 8 at lakh place and then 9 at 10 lakh place. We can easily write the number name. How we start? We take the terms, the numbers, the digits in the lakhs place value collectively. So, we say it to be 98 lakh. Let us write it here. 98 lakh. Then we have the 1000 place values taken up together, 47,000. 47,000. Then we will write this number together, 215. 215. This is the number name. Clear to you? Now we write its expanded form starting from the 10 lakh place value, 9 into, how many zeros are there in 10 lakh? Yes, 6 zeros. You should remember this. So, we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 into 10 lakh plus 8 into 1 lakh. There are 5 zeros in 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus then 4 into, it is at 10,000 place value. So, 4 into 10,000 plus 7 into, it is at 1000 place value. So, it will have only 3 zeros, 1000 plus 2 into 100 because it is at hundreds place value plus 1 into 10 because it is at tens place value plus 5 is at ones place value. So, it will be as it is. Clear to you? This is the expanded form of this given number. So, here we have inserted the commas, written the place values, written the number name and the expanded form. I hope all the 4 points are very much clear to you. We take one more example. First we will insert the commas. Let us start from the right hand corner. This is ones, tens, hundreds. So, the first comma will come up here, then 1000, 10,000, the second comma and no more digits in the left. So, 2 commas are enough. We fill up the place value chart, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 and then we have the lakhs. Ones place digit is 0, tens place digit is 2, hundreds place digit is 3, 1000 place digit is 5, 10,000 place digit is 7 and this lakh place digit is 4. Easy. Now, it is easy to write the number name also. Here we will start with the lakh place value. We will have 4 lakh, then these two will be taken up together, 1000 place values. So, we will write 75,000 then 300 and then this 20. So, this is the number name. Next we will write the expanded form. We have 4 at lakh place value, at 1 lakh place value and 1 lakh has how many zeros? Yes, 5 zeros. So, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus then 7 is at 10,000 place value. So, 10 and then 1000. Remember 1000 has 3 zeros and 10 has 1. So, in all there will be 4 zeros plus then we will take up this place value 5 into 1000 plus this 3 into, it is at hundreds place value. So, into 100 plus 2 is at tens place value. So, 2 into 10. The ones digit is 0. So, no need to write it and this is your expanded form of the given number. Clear to you? We take one more example. First of all, we will insert the commas, ones, tens, hundreds, then the first comma, then 1000, 10,000, the second comma, then lakh, 10 lakh, the third comma. So, 3 commas in all. Now, we will fill up the place value chart. Starting from right hand corner, we have ones place value, then tens place value, then hundreds place value, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and now crore is also here. Clear to you? Next we will fill up the digits, 0 at ones place, then 1 at tens place, 3 at hundreds place, 5 at thousands place, 4 at 10,000 place, 6 at lakhs place, 7 at 10 lakh place and 9 at the place value of crore. Next we will write the number name. We start up with crores. So, first we will write 9 crore. Then these lakhs will be taken up collectively. So, 76 lakh. Then these thousands will be taken up together, 45,000. Then 300. And then we have these two together, 10. So, this is the number name. Next we will write the expanded form. To start with, we have 9 and it is at crores place. How many zeros are there in 1 crore? Yes, 7 zeros. Always remember this. So, 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Clear? Plus, then we have 7 at 10 lakhs place value, it will have 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus then lakh has 5 zeros. So, 6 into 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we will take this 10,000 place value, 4 into 10,000 plus, then we will take this thousands place value, 5 into 1000 plus this one 3 into 100 because it is at hundreds place value, plus we will take this 1 into 10 because it is at tens place value. No need to write 0 because it is 0. Non-zero digits are taken in the consideration. Clear to you? So, this is the expanded form of the given number. We take one more example. This is the given number. Again, first of all, we will insert the commas. Ones, tens, hundreds, the first comma, then 1000, 10,000, the second, lakh, 10 lakh, the third comma. So, 3 commas in all here. Again we will fill up the place value chart starting from ones, then tens, then hundreds, then 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. Fill up the digits. Ones place is 4, tens place is 9, hundreds place digit is 0, then 8 at thousands place value, 5 at 10,000 place value, 4 at lakhs place value, 0 at 10 lakh place value and 3 at crore place value. So, we have filled up all the place values. Next we will write the number name starting with 3 crore. So, we write it here 3 crore. These lakh place values will be taken up together. 0 and 4 means 4 itself. 3 crore 4 lakh. Next we will take up the thousand place values together. 58. 58,000. And then there is 0 digit at 100 place value. Then we will write straight away 94. 94. This is the number name. Next we will write the expanded form 3 into how many zeros are there in 1 crore? 7 zeros. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros plus there is no non-zero digit at 10 lakh place. So, we will skip it. We write it 4 into lakh place value, that is 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros plus 5 into 10,000 place value. So, 10 and 3 zeros for 1000. So, total 4 zeros plus 8 into 1000 place value, just a second, into 1000 plus, we will skip the 100 place value because it is 0. So, 9 into 10 because it is at 10's place value plus 4. So, this is the expanded form of the given number. With this, children, now you must have got familiar with lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore place values and with such big numbers. Now, I leave it up to you to take your own numbers, insert commas, write their place values, write their number names and expanded form. In our next class, we will be taking up International System of Numeration. Till then, goodbye.